So in next exercise, on mobility your legs, takes 2 legs in the side and doing a big circle. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change side on ourselves. 1. Take your core. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good work. Working one leg. 1. Close. 2. Close. Fix your left leg. It's must looking up. 3, 4, and 5. Change leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Working with 2 legs. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up, 6, up. Good work. Take it down. And thank you so much that you watched. It's so good exercise for warm up your hips and working with your mobility and preparing your legs for stretching. Try it because it's so good. So thank you. Bye.